Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This next video is going to show you how to display a coming soon page or a maintenance page on your newly installed WordPress website. So if you'd like to show a coming soon page, or you'd like to put the website under maintenance for a while till launch or till the maintenance is done, here's how to go about it. The first thing you want to do is to come to your WordPress dashboard right there, then go to the plugin section. Click on add new. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using a simple maintenance plugin. Just come to the plugin section and search for maintenance. Then you can see the plugin right here, the one by Web Factory Limited. So just install and activate it. So once it's activated, you would see the option on the menu pane at the left side of the website right here. Click on maintenance. So we are now on the plugin interface, and the next thing we need to do, we can just click outside of here to get rid of this. So from here you can add your custom page title. In this case I used coming soon, and then you can give it a description. You can see I wrote here, we are cooking something amazing. We are cooking something amazing. So which might mean that the viewers can expect the website to be launched in a while. So we will just leave these and then scroll down to the background section. There's a default background image that comes with the plugin, which is this one. This is what came with the plugin. So what I did was to come to free pick, and then I downloaded this image, and then I changed this default image, uploaded background, then I dragged the image I downloaded from free pick, dragged it in here, which is this one, and then I selected that, and here we have a new background for the maintenance page or the coming soon page. And then the next thing I did was to change the font. I prefer this font for my maintenance pages or my coming soon pages. So I just go ahead and click on Josephine Sans and click on Save Changes. So that way we have successfully implemented a simple coming soon page for our WordPress website. Now let's go to the front end to see how that takes place. So you can see this is a page, a coming soon page. You can see from here the title of the site, and then we're cooking something amazing. So which means that viewers or users at the moment can expect something to come up on the site in due course. However, a situation where probably you want your client or prospect to log into the site and see what you have done so far, all you need to do is give them maybe a temporary login. You can create a login under user in the dashboard, so they can use those details to log in from here. And you as well can use your administrative details to log into the site from here. So you can see we are successfully logged on back to the website. So that's how to implement a simple coming soon page or maintenance page for your WordPress website. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.